Hello, my name is Isabella Mester. Today I'll be going over question 3 for Computer Science 110, Quiz 9. So for starters, I'm just going to go in and define my function roll until sum 15 and 1 4 but no 3's. And then I can go ahead and define my variables and then go in with my while loop, which basically says that if the sum is 15 or 3, not in temp, then it terminates the output. And then I will go ahead and update that as well as go in with my for loop in range statement of 5, and then I can set my die variable and the random keyword for my import random module, as well as return statement for return rolls. And then I can define my sunken function, which is the main function, and this function will go ahead and use list comprehension to set the output, and as well as set list to the function. And for this, I'm going to use a for loop range statement as well as using the same list comprehension, and then I will print out my statement along with the output settings and my if statement for the two functions. And I'll just run this. And here is the last statement that says there were 32 5 rolls made, which is completely random, and I'll run it again to demonstrate how random it is. And there was only 5 rolls made for this one. So that's it for this question, and thank you for watching.